Hello!
Hello! This is the lucky money we got from our parents during the Lunar New Year. We will teach you some Chinese culture. 祝宝贝女儿万事胜意，平安喜乐。Wish every children in the world be happy and lucky every day. 心怀梦想，行至远方。Have a big dream. Go wherever you want, be whatever you like. 以梦为马，不负韶华。Don't waste your talent. 前程似锦，未来可期。Have a bright future and high expectation. 好运常伴，诸事皆宜。Be lucky and do everything smoothly. 日进斗金，前途无量。Have a lot of money and have a bright future. 笑口常开，多才多艺。Be happy every day and be rich. 福气满满，知足常乐。Be lucky and get everything you want. 祝你永远健康快乐。Wish everyone be healthy and happy. We wish you a happy New Year.
I want to share this happy moment with you, with my family. Thank you for your support in always. We will keep teaching you Chinese culture if you want to learn. So my daughters will be your teacher. We will come back to work very soon. Thank you very much for your understanding and wish them lucky again. Okay, Happy New Year, say.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye-bye.